In stage 1, you're going to want to take a cotton pad and some C22, apply the C22 gently to the cotton pad, and then rub in circular motion on the scalp whilst gently lifting the hair system, and reapplying the C22 onto the cotton pad when necessary to ensure its pain-free removal. Step 2. You will then want to remove most of the adhesive with C22 using a cotton pad on either tape or glue. This is mainly to remove the main part of the adhesive, where we will then wash the rest off in the sink in stage 3. Fill the sink with lukewarm water and submerge your hair system, and then take around 2 to 3 pumps of reset and slowly massage in a circular motion in the area in which the adhesive is applied, whether that is tape or glue. You'll want to repeat this process 2 to 3 times or continue it until all of the adhesive is removed from your hair system. And you can simply place it back in the sink with the lukewarm water to ensure all of the reset is removed from the hair system before continuing to the next step. Next step, you want to then slowly and gently brush away from the hair system and not place the teeth directly into the hair system to remove any knots in your hair system. You'll then want to get some renewal, around 2 to 3 fingers full, and stroke that throughout the hair system to ensure it's completely covered. Allow that to set for around 3 to 5 minutes so it can deeply nourish and renew your hair system. Once renewal has been within the hair system for 3 to 5 minutes, you can then place it back in the lukewarm water to remove all of the renewal from the hair system. After complete, take a towel and simply cover the hair system with the towel and press down firmly to ensure that most of the water is removed. Once that is done, you can then comb through it again gently, ensuring the teeth of the brush away from the base of the hair system. After that, you can then spray refresh around the hair system to ensure it is fully nourished. Once it's around 80% dry, ensuring you're drying from the base and not directly on the hair, you'll then be able to reattach either your adhesive that is tape or glue and place it on your head. Once on your head, you can then spray a few more times with your refresh to ensure it is fully moisturized and ready to go.